This is a pretty special little kitty right here. Just all snuggled up next to me. Look at him. I gotta go sideways to get the view. Oh, it's so snuggles. So snuggle pile, huh? What a snuggle pile. What a beauty. Such a love bug. Yes, you are. This doesn't make you smile today. I don't know what will. Because this little guy is such a sweetie. And a snorer. Can you hear that? So we hope you guys have a great day today. We're so happy that there's sunshine out. But it's still a little cold. It's supposed to get up to 65 tomorrow. So see you then.